In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy crypto by using your credit or debit card. First, we will create an account on Bitpanda. Simply click on the link down in the video description below and you will be taken directly to this page right here. Create your account right here within a few seconds and you will automatically get the best sign-up bonus available. Depending on how much you invest, you can get up to 100 euro in bonuses. Once we have created an account, we first need to verify ourselves. So you'll need to do this on every platform as you cannot deposit any euros otherwise. So you should automatically see right here a button to verify. You need to click on that and then upload a picture of your ID card, your driver's license, or your passport. The verification only takes a few minutes and then we can fully use the platform. Next up, we can deposit money, and to do that, we simply go up here to deposit, then click on fiat currencies, then choose the fiat currency you want to use. In my case, I'm going to choose the euro. Then you can use your credit or debit card. So you can choose between Visa or MasterCard. In my case, I'm going to go for Visa card. Then I need to type in how much I want to deposit. In this case, I'm going to go for 1000 euro and click on go to summary. You can also see there's no fee. I need to confirm these two and click on confirm. Then I will be redirected to the payment provider. And here I now need to just enter my card number, the CVC code, and till when it's valid, and then just click on pay and the deposit is confirmed. It will be immediately available in my Bitpanda account. Once we have completed the deposit, we can now go to our portfolio up here in the top, and then if we scroll down, we can see our fiat, in my case euro balance right here. Now with that money we can buy a cryptocurrency, and to do that we go up here to trade, then click on buy. And now we can go here to crypto and see all these different cryptocurrencies we can trade on here, which is quite a lot. You can also, of course, just go up here to the search. And in this case, I'm going to show it to you for Bitcoin. Select it right here. Now I need to type in how much I want to invest. In this case, I'm going to go for 100 euro. You can also see your available balance that we deposited right here. Just click on next. And then all I need to do is just click right here on buy now and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to pick up your sign-up bonus with up to 100 euro in bonuses by simply clicking on the first link down in the video description. Create your account right here within a few seconds, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.